Hello everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk Tech, brought to you by SineWave Technologies. In this video, I would like to talk a bit about SineWave, who we are, and all that we have to offer. Let's get started. SineWave Technologies is an MSP, or a Managed Service Provider. We learned about MSPs in one of our previous videos, but for a quick recap, a MSP is essentially an outsourced team of IT professionals, often hired by small to medium-sized businesses. As an MSP, SineWave offers many IT services, such as project management, discovery and documentation, network architecture, compliance and security, and cloud services and big data. Let's take a brief moment to break down each one of these services and explore the possibilities of how SineWave could benefit your company. Let's first begin with project management. At SineWave, our approach to IT project management is collaborative, but we also know that your team is busy with the day-to-day of user issues and surprise maintenance. We will help you stay on track while also taking tasks off your plate where it makes sense. Planning is very important, but adaptation is crucial. Whether it's a small to large project such as addressing a vulnerability or transitioning multiple sites to a new network carrier, SineWave wants to give you the chance to design, dream, and accomplish your IT goals. Discovery and documentation. SineWave can capture important details about your systems and help keep that knowledge up to date. Our first step is to discover what you have in place. Once we've been deep inside your IT environment, identifying what exists, what works, what's broken, and where the risk might be inside your systems, we're in a better place to support you. But we don't just stop there. Discovery leads to documentation, and documentation gives everyone the power to make informed decisions about what's next. Our commitment to documentation and having that data will make the difference whether it's an emergency or providing the opportunity to plan ahead. Network architecture. The flow of information is very crucial to any modern business. When data moves as it's supposed to from start to finish, the business thrives. When there is congestion, redirection, or network failure, the company struggles. Designing your network to meet your needs may be the most important task for the IT department. That's why network design is at the center of what we do at SineWave. Not only can we design the interconnects between your systems, but also create stable connections to the rest of the world. Compliance and security. Compliance is about following the advice of your industry experts to meet legal and operational requirements. SineWave wants to help make sure your business is compliant with new regulations to keep up with today's industry standards. Security is the practice of keeping what's secret and valuable out of the hands of those who shouldn't have it. By staying compliant, this can help minimize security risk and help your business safely maintain personal and client data. Cloud services and big data. You can have your own computer and storage infrastructure, or you can borrow it from a cloud provider by paying a recurring fee. But how do you know which is best for you? SineWave can help you identify what systems should be moved to the cloud and when you should leverage shared computing resources. By answering a series of questions, SineWave can help you evaluate your needs and then advise you accordingly. When seeking assistance in managing your IT infrastructure, you have countless options, so why choose SineWave? Our people and our philosophy make all the difference. Whether you're facing an IT crisis, need additional resources, or want another point of view, SineWave wants to be your partner. We offer expertise and hands-on support for massive IT projects, as well as manage complex networks and solve issues that other teams can't or don't have time to solve. SineWave is known among its customers, partners, and vendors as a company committed to service. If you need a technology resource that will thoroughly research possible solutions, fairly weigh options for your benefit, and provide the best possible solution, contact SineWave today. Well, that's all for today's video. If you've enjoyed this series so far and want to learn more about technology, Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified about our next video. If you have any further questions or just want to follow along to learn more tech, check out our social media linked below in the description or take a look at our website at SineWaveTech.com. I hope you all have a great weekend and I will see you next week on Let's Talk Tech.